Hello, and welcome to Inspired by the Minute with Michael Hardy. Today's tech topic is be consistent. The opportunities for individuals to enter into coding is plentiful. Once you get that first job, you'll gain much needed real-world experience to establish your tech foundation. However, a common mistake for continued skill development is relying heavily on just on-the-job training. Here are some tips to continue coding skill growth. The first tip is the use of coding exercises. Typically, they're through companies like Codility and HackerRank. These are used by employers to test coding skills for employment and are typically general algorithm optimization type questions. These exercises build critical thinking and fundamental coding knowledge. The next tip is pretty straightforward in just reading books, articles, and newsletters. And through these mediums, you can learn about new technologies, new coding techniques, new updates, etc. in the world of coding. And finally, you can't go wrong with a good tutorial. These tutorials can be found either by taking a class on either Udemy or on Lynda using their e-learning platform, or you can even go to YouTube. And typically on these platforms, some of the best benefits you can get from that is that the learning is self-paced, and usually they have a pretty good user community where you can ask lots of questions and you can continue to grow and develop as a coder. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to all of our social media channels, and we'll see you soon. Take care.